Find the measure of the angle between these two vectors, 3, 6, 3, negative 8. The way to do this is you use dot product and you use this formula right here. Cosine theta is going to equal the dot product of A and B, A being one of these guys, B being the other one. And then you find the magnitude of A and multiply that to the magnitude of B. Okay, so let's do everything one step at a time. The dot product of A and B means you multiply the x values, 9, add, multiply the y values, so 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. And so the dot product ends up being negative 39. The magnitude of A and B, we're going to use this formula right here, which is basically, something somebody stole, and I keep doing this, I always do this, but somebody stole the Pythagorean theorem. I should have used x and y, but, too late. But if I'm doing the magnitude of A, and I believe I called this one A, not that it matters, it's going to be positive 3 squared plus 6 squared. Type all that into a calculator and you get 6.708. To find B, which I'm calling that B, I'm going to use this formula again, square root of 3 squared plus negative 8 in parentheses squared. Type that into a calculator and get 8.544. Now that I know all this, I can plug it into that formula. So cos theta is going to equal negative 39 over 6.708 times 8.544. That terrible, terrible, terrible number ends up being negative 0.680472. How did you do that, sir? I did it in my head. No, I didn't. I have it written down. Let's inverse cosine. Let's inverse cosine. And my final guy is going to be 132.881 degrees. Fantastic.